Now it's time to open up phpMyAdmin and look at some of the actual data inside the Moodle database. I will be using phpMyAdmin in this course, and I am using a third-party host for my Moodle system, which I'm not endorsing, but they do allow you to install Moodle, and they do provide a nice control panel, as you see here. I will click the Advanced tab, and this is broken out into several sections. You got files, software, etc. I'm going to scroll down to the database section and click the phpMyAdmin link. And here it is. And you can access your databases by clicking here or expanding here. And this is the list of databases. You can expand each of these as well, and that will show a list of tables. Or just click on the database name. So each of these is a table. And notice that they all start with MDL_. That's the table prefix. Your table prefix may be different, and that's okay. That's one of the things you choose when you install Moodle, and it is no big deal at all. Now, there are a lot of tables in Moodle. At the top and at the bottom, there are these navigation links. You can advance to the last page, the next page, or choose the page you want to go to from this drop-down list. I will pick 2. And that takes me to the second page of the tables list. Now, notice the Browse and Structure buttons. You click Browse to look at the data stored in the table, and click Structure to see how the fields in the table are set up. Now, see how the field names are here on the left, and then data type is here for each field? And we will come back to this. We'll take a closer look at data types here in a couple videos. Again, you'll find Browse and Structure buttons up here, so you can easily switch back and forth between looking at field configuration and looking at the actual data contained in the fields. I'll go ahead and click the Browse button, and here you can see 3 user records. The guest user and the admin user are included by default when you install Moodle, and then here's a record for Robert Johnson, which I added. Now, this view is a lot like a spreadsheet. The field names are listed along the top, and each record is a row. So see the first name, last name, email address. The rest of the fields go off to the right here, and that's how data is stored. Each table is like its own spreadsheet. Now I'll point out this breadcrumb trail up here at the top. This is a quick way to get back to the table list. Just click on the database name. And back to page 1. Now scroll down to the bottom. And here are the other tables we talked about so far, role and role assignments. And I'm going to browse the role table. And here you can see Moodle's default roles. Pretty cool. Now, we're going to be writing a lot of queries in this class, and that fun will happen in this third tab here, labeled SQL. The query goes right in here, in this box. Click this checkbox, labeled Retain Query Box. And then you click the Go button over here, and the page refreshes. You will still have the query box at the top of the page, and your query results are listed down below. Okay, so those are the bare minimum basics for phpMyAdmin, and definitely enough to get you started for now. In the next video, we're going to install a special plugin on our Moodle system that's going to give us a place to write PHP code and make changes that are visible from within your Moodle site.